Hello guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create this particular flyer using Canva. So like I said, before you venture into any design, ensure that all your materials are ready. Okay, so you just go to Canva, you click on the plus sign, we'll choose a layout. We're going to be using Instagram posts. Just for it to load. Okay, this is our layout, so I'll click on the plus sign. By now you must have gotten all your materials ready. I'll go to my gallery, click on gallery. Okay, I'm going to be using this particular flyer design for it, this one, so I'll just add it to the page. So here we go. So I'll make sure I drag it down to cover the whole page. So but I'm not going to leave it like this. I want to make my flyer look as natural as possible, so I will add the plus. I'll come back here and pick this particular food image, so I will drag it over the background. Okay, so you come over here, down here, here you have all this icon. Click on transparency and adjust it to allow the image fade into the background. Okay, so as you can see, the image has faded into the background, so one has to really look to see it, but then it looks better than the way it was before. So here we go. So we're going to add shape. We're going to be adding this particular square shape to the page. So you come and change the color. Change the color to white. Okay. Come to this place, style, then corner rounding. We don't want it to have border width, but we want to have a corner rounding. So there we go. Just adjust it the way you want it. Okay. So quickly add type. Click on plus, come to text, add a heading. So we'll type grand opening. Grand. Okay, so this is it. Just copy it. Opening. So opening here. Okay, make this grand look a bit smaller by reducing the size. Reduce the size. Come to this place. We increase it and then change the fonts. Click on font. Type Benolo. Yeah, this particular first one. That will change. Tries to give that flyer that prominent look. So we're going to change this color. Don't want to use black. Want to use another color. So come to color and change it to wine. Come over here and adjust it upward. I'm still going to add another shape. So this shape will just adjust it, move it upward. With this icon, you can move small objects upward. Okay, so we had test. Ife's kitchen. Okay, so just move it. Change the color to white. change the color to white, then make it a bit bolder. Bold, yes. Okay, so you have Ife's kitchen. So we quickly had the text that we want to add to the page. Okay, so we've already written the text that we want to add. So I'll just type and paste. Okay. So I'll add text and then edit, paste. Oops. Okay, come here and adjust the way you want it, move it, take it upward. Okay, so we have our text now. So we now want to quickly add the menu. Just copy from this one, come here, edit, menu. Okay, we have our menu now. So quickly we'll just copy the menu that we've already typed, copy it, the things that we're going to be offering. So just come over here, copy this one, rather sorry, plus adjust it to this place and edit. Okay, and paste. So we have our menu ready here. So we can't just leave this like this. To not look catchy. Okay, so what we're going to do is to add some form of bullet and numbering. So we're going to be adding some circle, like this kind of shape. So I've added it. All I need to do is just change the color, change it to wine, and reduce it. So I've reduced it. Move it to where you want it to be. Still reduce it a little more. Okay. Yeah. So you can copy. Copy it, paste, copy. So if you're able to position it well, to just copy and paste for you everywhere you want it to. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the format to this left, yeah, so that it will be more orderly. Yeah, so we have our menu. So I'm going to add our contact details. So I'll add a shape like we did the other time, adjust the shape, so that adjust the shape this way. Make sure it's what should covers this place. Okay, we had another one. Copy, click on copy, change this one to white. Now make it smaller and put it on top of this one. Then come to copy this, change it to black. Alright, then edit it. Order now. We have our call to action. Still move this a little more. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So you can add your contact info here. You can add a telephone icon. Change this to black. And change this to black or red, whatever you want it to be. Just change it. Reduce the size further. Yeah. So you can add your phone number. Okay, you can add your phone number, font size, do it a little more. Then your phone number, copy this one, move it, and paste it. 234 0 5 6 8 2 3 6. There you go. I have my phone number. I'll now come over here and reduce the font size. You can decide to change this number to white, as the case may be. So quickly, we're going to be adding the other things on our flyer, which is the side attraction, the images we're going to be using as the food. So come over here, come to gallery. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some delicacies to my flyer. I'll add this. Click on everything you are adding, and then come and add to page. They will all show on the page. Okay, so what you now need to do is go to this place, this plus sign, click elements and shape. Click shape. Okay, well, not this particular shape. So shape down here where you have frame, so you click on this one. You can duplicate it. 3 so you have it. Adjust it to your desired size, then you drag the food image. Okay, just drag it to the shape. It will assume the shape immediately. So do the same to the other two. Move this one here, then you can drag this to the bottom, so to take the shape. This one, move it forward, come here, position, where you have position, click on it and take it forward. Yeah, adjust it, then move this particular male image underneath it. See, it will just automatically adopt the shape. Okay, so there we go. We have all our delicacies added to the page. Okay, so this is how you make your flyer design. If you have a logo, you can add it. Just click on the plus sign, come to your gallery, add your logo to the page to make it look more real. You have a logo, you must have also removed the background from your logo design. So just add it. move it up here, and there you go, your logo. So your flyer is ready. Okay, that's all you need to do to get a good flyer design. So after today's class, you should be able to, you should by yourself create your own flyer. Okay, nobody should be telling you, oh, this thing is expensive, blah blah blah. You should be able to create your own flyer, and the truth is that you can actually make money from it. Okay, you can make a whole lot of money from creating flyers for people. If you can create a design, you can just imagine how many people will come to you to say, please help us to create our own flyer. Okay, so this is how you create your flyer. When you're done, all you just need to do is click on download, and your image is ready. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me for more of such videos. Okay, all right, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.